This pasta just won the Ig Nobel Prize for Physics by adding a controversial extra ingredient to cacio e pepe. So we tested it.
Both recipes start out the same. You cook up some pasta in salted water, drain it and keep the pasta water. Heat some ground peppercorns over a stove, add in some of that pasta water and combine it with the pasta. The difference comes in how you make the cheese sauce. You have to use Pecorino Romano, which is expensive. So we bought one block and cut it exactly in half. This will be a fair test. This is the traditional method. You finely grate the cheese and add it to cooled pasta water. That's it. That's all the only ingredients you use. You mix it together and then you pour it on. Except exactly what can happen when you're bad at this like I am did happen, and it clumped up. This is where the controversy comes in though, because the Ig Nobel Prize winning version of this pasta sauce tries to prevent the clumping by adding an extra ingredient, starch. We used corn flour, which you make a slurry out of by just mixing it into some fresh water, and then you chop the cheese into chunks and put both of those things into a blender with some of the pasta water. This is when I started losing faith. I didn't think this would work. As I was blending up, I'm like, there's no way this is all gonna stay together. And then I took a peek inside and you then add it to the pasta just to briefly bring it all together with a quick cook. At this point, we were pretty sure that the new method with the blender was going to lead to a pasta that looked better, but we weren't sure if it was going to taste any better as well. There's a peer-reviewed paper out about the science behind why this new method with the blender works. Basically, the extra starch helps emulsify and stabilize the sauce.
Try classic.
Try classic. Okay. First bite, bestie. It's really good. All right, the other one. It's more about texture though, isn't it? It's not really about the flavour.
I mean, it's better.
Better. Sorry, Italy.